Hey, Dr. V, after all of our work online, it is so nice to see you in person. Hey, I wanted to thank you for helping me iron out my problem of practice and how to move forward. I talked to my department chair at my university and I told her our plan for me to do a practitioner inquiry study about feedback for our graduate candidates. And she was so excited because I also told her the part about me becoming the resident PI expert for all of our future issues that arise. And that really made her excited. So, I wanted to tell you, I got the books that you suggested. I haven't read them yet, but I will over the break. I'll get started on those. But I did do a preliminary study, and I really was surprised by some of the feedback, but some of the answers and responses I got on that survey. It helped me after now that I've gotten my feet wet. I think I will be better able to understand how to move forward, like the purposeful sampling that I want to do for this qualitative study, and then some questions that I want to ask on the survey to evoke the kind of information I'm looking for. So sorry to throw all that at you. I'm very excited, as you can tell, but I know you have a lot to score, so you have fun with that, and I'll talk to you soon.